You could be anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, Expediting America. How you doing, sir? Picking up and going to Rockford, Illinois. So it's the next morning after dropping off in Mount Pleasant, Pennsylvania. We deadheaded 37 miles here to Cheswick, PA, and we're heading a little over 540 miles to Rockford, Illinois. Strapped in, got 3 straps on it. Don't have E-tracks, but you know, we're making the most of what we got. All right, it's currently 5 a.m. right now. I'm on Central Time. We got about an hour and a half left to be in Chicago. We're actually going to Rockford, and Bubba Joe's being lovey-dovey in this morning time. I think he wants a treat. You want a treat, buddy? Is that what you want? Huh? Gas is 409, but I'm using the Mudflap app, and the Mudflap app's giving me 59 cents off, so we're at about $3.67, I think it is. But yeah, another day, another dollar. Today's Thursday. 2 trips down. Hopefully we can get another 2. Keep it going for the weekend. We'll see how it goes. All right, another successful delivery. So here's a scoop. From waking up in the morning, deadheading to the shipper, getting loaded up, and doing the job, took about 11 and a half hours. It paid $675. $270 goes to the van owner. They pay for the van insurance, all the expenses as far as like if things break down. I paid gas and tolls. I paid $95 for gas, $17 in tolls because we have the iPass. It's half off. It would be $37. But we ended up with, I think, $293. Yeah, he's friendly too if you want to say hi. Yeah. That's my road dog.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. Where you coming from?
I'm from Florida, but I just came from Pennsylvania just now.
Driving?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right, man. Have a safe trip, man.
Thank you, bro. You too, man. So we dropped off at 8 a.m. right on time in Rockford, Illinois. And then they had this Love's Dog Park about a mile down the road. So I'm letting him do his thing. Gonna hit the gym, stretch, work out a little bit, shower, and get some rest. Hopefully wake up to a new load and keep our week going strong. So I'll keep you guys posted. This is day 3 being on the road this week. So Thursday. And what a beautiful day it is. Found this Planet Fitness. About to go put in that work. Don't turn off your cameras. I'm not starting an OnlyFans, but I just wanted to show you how nice the shower was. Nicest shower at any Planet Fitness I've been to. Probably the best shower I ever had at a Planet Fitness. And a little key for y'all. Don't forget your slippers, because you just never know with these floors. You know, they do a great job cleaning, but you just never know. But while we were showering, we got a text message, and we got no load, so I'll fill y'all in on it in a second once I get this unlocked. How you doing? Picking up a load and going to Marion, North Carolina.
Been there before?
Never. We had like a 42-mile deadhead, still west of Chicago, just a little bit. And we're here. Been wearing my PPE a lot lately. Honestly, it's the way you should do it. All right, let's go ahead and expedite America. Are you in the shipping department? Yes. Take your time.
How you doing?
Amazing. How are you doing? I'm picking up and going to Marion, North Carolina.
It's not here, it's in a different building, but
Okay.
this is the paperwork.
Okay.
They should have copies, but would you mind signing mine and then?
Sure, of course.
Yeah.
You got a pen for me?
Sure do. And then I'll call them and let them know you're on your way.
Thank you.
All right, I'll send them over. Should be about 5 minutes. Steve should be waiting.
Steve.
Google.
All right, you got it.
Security.
How you doing? I'm trying to meet Steve here. I'm picking up. I'm going to North Carolina.
Hello.
Steve.
I'll be right out.
All right, boss. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's good. Not too heavy, I reckon. Right now it is 3:24 a.m. We're in the middle of North Carolina, and just so you know, only you can prevent wildfires. We're running on some NOS tonight, and yeah, make sure you get your Road Dog apparel at roaddogjoe.com. You got anything to say, Joe? Not much, huh? You just want some pets? All right, buddy. Just checked in at the guard gate. It is 7:34. 26 minutes early.
Hello.
I can hear people.
Hello.
What does this button do? How you doing?
Hang on, man. Go get my pen. Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll have one of my guys. There's a dock door. It's number 16. It's got a ramp,
Okay.
and they can come out and unload it over there.
I'll park at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
That's your copy.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Shout out to you if you stuck around for both trips. We did 784 total miles for this one. It paid $900. 360 went to the van owner. 130 on gas. Leaves us with $410. I thought that was like your backup noise.
Nah, bunch of friggin' birds.
Man.
They do that run off some kind of other bird.
It's working.
Yeah, it's annoying, ain't it? Kids me.
Making you work this morning, man.
That ain't your fault. It's whoever bought these damn lifts that didn't put the hydraulics on it to do that, so we can just hit a button and go.
I told him to make this crate as difficult as possible, so.
Well, you tell them I had to adjust for it. Still almost didn't make it, but I get it.
Yeah.
Alright, she signed the paperwork.
No, sir. I can take it into her, though.
Are you going back up there?
Yeah, I'll go back up there.
Alright, I'll meet you up there.
All right.
Come on, baby. Back them up.
Thank you. Thank you all so much for tuning in once again with Bubba Joe and I out here on the road, expediting America. If you enjoy the content, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. Comment below. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Like, share with your friends on social media. Check out RoadDogJoe.com and see you on the next episode.